Hello everyone, welcome to the course on genetics. In this video we will discuss about sex linked inheritance, and we will discuss the concept of sex chromosomes and autosomes and some another facts of sex linked inheritance. Now let us start with sex linked inheritance. First of all, we will start with sex chromosomes and autosomes, concept of sex chromosome and concept of autosomes. So you know very well, in human being there are 23 pairs of chromosomes present. Out of the 23, 22 are the autosomes, and one pair it represents sex chromosomes. So this means that 23 pairs, they will give rise to 46 chromosomes, and out of that 46 chromosomes, 44 chromosomes are the autosomes and only 2 chromosomes are the sex chromosomes. If you see, in males they contains 22 autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes, and these 2 sex chromosomes are X and Y. So in males you can see the sex chromosomes X and Y present. In females, similar number of autosomes present, but they contains different types of sex chromosome, and they contains sex chromosome X and X, that is 2 X chromosomes are present. Now we will see what are autosomes. Autosomes are the chromosomes which regulate the somatic characters of the body. So it is very important, somatic characters of the body. So in human being, if you take example, the color of hair, the color of eye, color of skin, and so many other characters, phenotypic characters in human being, they are regulated by the autosome. So it is very important role of autosome to control different types of phenotypic somatic characters of the body. So they can be measured, counted like this. So which are the autosomes? The chromosome number 1 to 22, they are autosomes in human being. Now what are the sex chromosomes? Sex chromosomes are also known as allosomes. So the pair of chromosome that determine the sex of an organism, as they regulate the sex linked trait, that is XX and XY. So sex chromosomes are other than autosomes, and they will control the determination of sex in an organism. Means the role of autosome to express the phenotypic characters of somatic characters, but sex chromosomes plays very important role in the sex determination of that organism. Means they will decide whether the newborn baby or newborn organism offspring will be male or female. So this is the function of sex chromosomes. So these two types of chromosomes are present in human body, and they are very important. Autosomes, now we will see some differences between autosomes and sex chromosomes. Autosomes, they shows Mendelian inheritance, while sex chromosome shows non-Mendelian inheritance. Means autosomes, they will strictly follow the rules and ratios which are given by Mendel during their study, but non-Mendelian or sex chromosome, they will not show they will not show or not follow the Mendelian inheritance. So they are called as non-Mendelian inheritance. Means sex chromosome, they will have the different types of inheritance role, and they are different than the Mendelian inheritance. Now the chromosome contains a centromere. In autosomes, if you see the position of centromere, it is identical in all chromosomes, but in sex chromosomes, position of centromere, it is non-identical. Means they are present at different places in different chromosomes. In human genome, maximum number of autosomes and few sex chromosomes are present. As we have seen, there are 22 pairs of autosomes and only one pair of sex chromosomes. So autosomes are maximum in number as compared to the sex chromosomes. These are this is the karyotype of human being. In this we can see there are 23 pairs of chromosomes. So the pairs of chromosome starting from 1 to 22, so up to this, so starting from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 and 22. So the pairs of chromosomes starting from 1 to 22, they are autosomes, and they will regulate the somatic characters of the human body. And these two pairs are the sex chromosomes. So see here, man or human, it may contains only this XX or this XY. So if that human is a female, it contains these 22 autosomes plus this XX chromosome, sex chromosome. Or if it is a man, it contains these 22 chromosomes plus this XY. So male contains only XY and female contains only XX. So these are different types of chromosomes which are present in human being, and 1 to 22 they are known as autosomes, and last two are the sex chromosomes. Now in different types of Mendelian crosses, we already seen that progeny of two pure line parents is the same regardless of their individual sex. Means if we are selected parents of different types of traits, they may be male or they may be female, or we may change their we can say sex. If you selected first of all male with red flowers and female with white flowers, they will give rise to suppose red colored flowers. If we select white colored males and red colored females, again they will give red colored flowers. Means if two pure lines we have selected, regardless of their individual sex, they will produce same type of progeny. But Mendelian that Mendelian rule is not applicable for some genes which are located on the sex chromosome X and Y. So these sex chromosome, they do not follow the rules given by Mendel. The genes which are present on the X chromosomes are represent themselves twice in female, because female contains two X chromosomes. So the genes which are present on the X chromosome, they are twicely represented in females because they contains two X chromosomes. But in males, as there is only one X chromosome present, they will represent themselves only once. So genes which are present on X chromosome, they are represented twicely in females and only once in males, because in females there are two X chromosomes and in males there is only one X chromosome present. So the genes which are present on the X chromosome, they are known as X-linked genes, and the genes which are present on Y chromosome, they are known as Y-linked genes, and their inheritance is also known as sex-linked inheritance. So this is nothing but the sex-linked inheritance. Means the genes which are present on different types of chromosomes and they will determine the sex of that organism, then these are called as sex linked genes or sex linked. The inheritance pattern they have been given, they are known as sex linked inheritance. So this type of inheritance can be observed in different types of mammals including human being, Drosophila, Melandrium, etc. Now in XX and XY type organisms, sex-linked genes can be classified into three types. So human being, Drosophila, they contains XX and XY type of sex or chromosomes, and they have been classified into three different types. So one by one we will discuss. First of all, we see X-linked inheritance. So this type of inheritance can be performed by the genes which are located on the non-homologous sections of X chromosome and that have no corresponding alleles on Y chromosome. So X-linked inheritance, it is controlled and performed by the genes which are present on the non-homologous sections of the X chromosome only, and there are any counterpart it is not present on, or allele it is not present on the Y chromosome. So this type of inheritance, it is known as X-linked inheritance, or the genes are known as X-linked genes. So X-linked genes are also known as sex-linked genes. X-linked genes are also known as sex-linked genes. So they such type of inheritance can be seen in color blindness in human and eye color in Drosophila. So we will see these examples in next video in detail. Now second type of inheritance, it is known as Y-linked inheritance. So XX and XY type of organism, they also show Y-linked inheritance. So this type of inheritance is performed by the genes which are present on the non-homologous sections of Y chromosome, and they have no corresponding allele present on X chromosomes. So the Y-linked genes are commonly known as Hollandric genes. So Y-linked genes are the genes, they are present, or the Y-linked inheritance is the inheritance which is performed by the genes present on non-homologous sections of the Y chromosome, and there no any allele will be present on X chromosomes, and all these genes are present on the Y chromosome. So the genes which controls the Y-linked genes, they commonly known as Hollandric genes. They are known as Hollandric genes, and X-linked genes are called as sex-linked genes. Now the example of Hollandric gene, it is baldness in human and porcupine man. So this also we will see in next videos. Now last type of inheritance shown by XX and XY type of organism, that is XY linked inheritance. So this type of inheritance is performed by the genes which are present on the homologous section of X and Y chromosome. So it is unlike X-linked and Y-linked, because X-linked and Y-linked genes are present on the non-homologous sections of X and non-homologous section of Y, but here this type of genes, or in this type of inheritance, is controlled by the homologous by the genes which are present on the homologous X and Y chromosomes. So most important example of this, total color blindness and two skin disease, they are the examples of X and Y linked inheritance. These are some references. Thank you for your attention.